Alright boys, what's good? So far, as you can tell, this challenge has been going horribly. Okay, no, but for real though, January has been absolutely terrible for trading for me. I don't know why, but no setups have been holding. I'll put a few clips on screen, or photos of some of the trades I've taken. What the f? It's just been really unfortunate, and considering I was getting profitable months and weeks pretty consistently in Q4, coming back and having this absolute stinker is pretty unfortunate. But I'm just hoping that February will, bring it back a little bit. But anyway, I'm actually looking at this NAS100 liquidity grab. Unfortunately, on TradingView, it didn't quite tap into this demand right here, but it did grab quite a lot of liquidity down here. And even though we are at all-time highs, which sucks, I think I may take a chance on it if it gives us break a candle. But if this doesn't give break a candle or it closes like below this body, then I won't be taking this. There is also a setup on GU that looks quite nice. This 5-minute demand, it's looking quite good. There's also a 15-minute just below it. So yeah, if this NAS doesn't work out, then we've got some other options for the day, and hopefully one of them will hit. GJ also has this demand right here. However, I'm not too big on it just because of where the EMA is. It's actually quite a good rejection, to be fair. It's quite a good rejection. Okay, well, I've taken my entry. This is a liquidity grab and we are at all-time highs, so don't expect me to be taking this up for a massive risk reward. Now, it's still early in the day, so I'm prepared to close on a potential fake out. That might be low volume, I don't know, we'll see, but currently this has given a really nice push up. Oh yeah, once again, I know people are going to ask what prop firm I'm on. So I'm doing this challenge with the Forex funder. They just got really good profit split. They allow me to trade NAS, like this trade here. Allows it on MT5. It's got a pretty decent spread. And yeah, if you want to get a challenge, you can use affiliate code MANGO, because that's just sick. And you can get 10% off. Plus you can use the code on screen and get another like 60%. And you can get a 10K challenge for like $35 or a 100K one for like 200. But obviously, do your own research. Don't just take my word for it. Make sure you're doing what's right for you. But yeah, this trade is looking quite nice, man. I'm liking the push that we're getting. Not liking this upper wick, to be honest, but we're still in profit, which is nice to see. Now my take profit is actually over 1-to-1 right now. This is actually about a 1-to-1.7, believe it or not. It doesn't really look like on MetaTrader, but on TradingView, it's saying a 1-to-1.7. I think I might have under-risked a little bit on this because those profit amounts ain't adding up. But that's of course if we even hit take profit, because we're getting this pretty bad candle right now. Like I said earlier, it is quite early. I'm prepared for a fake out or something, but oh, no, we're rejecting up again. No, I lied. Oh, no, TradingView's just acting up. Come on, don't make this an hour-long trade. Hit take profit, you know you want to. Yeah, just like that. Oh, what a horrible close. Did put in that whole shift to go back bullish just for it to close like that. Okay, whilst we have this bullish candle here, I'm going to quickly show you how high we are on NAS right now. So let's just go into like the 4 hour. This is an all-time high. Like this candle right here is the highest we have ever been on NAS100. So I'd expect some kind of retracement usually, but we just keep going up. We've been going up for so damn long. Like, I'm just not expecting us to even go down at this point, which I know is dumb, but like, I'm hoping that it will start going down soon and we can start taking sells on NAS, because I don't like buying all-time highs, to be honest, believe it or not. Even though I'm just a scalper, it still matters. What investor is buying at all-time highs, you feel me? Other than myself, of course. I'm absolutely buying right now. Now we actually do have a supply right here, and we are rejecting it, but I believe that we can push through it. I believe it'll want to take the liquidity up here. I do believe that. So I'm going to keep holding this. But yeah, even though we technically have broken a little bit of structure with this liquidity grab, and this is a high probability supply, I still believe that we can blast through it, hopefully. Okay, that's quite a nice close. I actually barely closed inside the zone, which we like to see that if we want it to fail, although we are rejecting straight away after. Like, fucking hell, man. You actually have to be kidding me. You're joking, man. Oh wow, the GU setup I was talking about earlier is now tapped. That's nice. I'm in a stressful NAS trade personally. Nah, I do like this NAS still. It's just these candles are not looking good. This trade is gonna play around for weeks. Let's go. That'll be an hour-long trade. Woohoo! I actually expect this to be a pretty quick one, but we've already been sitting at, what, 25 minutes? That's fine. I'm willing to sit through it. We like these pushes up. We do like these. I may have just faked out a bunch of people that go on the supply, you feel me? Taking these stop losses. Now I want these stop losses. Anybody for some stop losses? It's actually my favorite meal. Yeah, I think I actually under-risked on this trade. I finally took a winning trade on this funded challenge, and I fucking under-risk. Nice. Actually love that. Now I'm joking, but to be fair, my psychology has been pretty good throughout this funded challenge. It's just setups they've just not been holding that well. Should I move TP up to these wicks? Or is that too greedy? Because that will literally... This wick right here is the highest NAS100 has ever been. Like, ever. So that might be a bit greedy. Yeah, I don't know about that. What am I doing? I'm getting greedy, aren't I? Come on, just hit TP, boy. Just a little bit more. See, I'm pissed I under-risked because this is like a 1 to 1.5 and it's only gonna be like a grand win. I say only like I've ever made a grand in this short time in my life. I ain't been close. I ain't never made 50 bucks this quick, and I'm complaining about this. A little bit more, Naz. A little bit more. A little bit more. I have one position that doesn't have a TP, so I need to manually close that. Yeah, I'll just close it. Okay, well, we got a win. Bro, why does this always happen? As soon as my TP gets hit, it just gets a massive spike in volume. Wow, okay, it would hit TP if I put it up here. Like, why, man? Why? Nah, I'm joking. I don't really care. It's a win. A win is a win. What the fuck? Okay, well, that's insane. It is just absolutely shooting up. Let me quickly show you what I'm looking at on TradingView. 1.7, man. My entry wasn't amazing. It was about up here rather than the normal breaker candle. And the second it hit TP, we just got a massive spike of volatility, which is great, but this setup was pretty basic as a liquidity grab. We're going with trend, of course. We're always going upwards with NAS, pretty much. We are very high, which is my main concern. Like I said, we're at all-time highs, and even at those all-time highs, we're very high above the EMA. 1 hour even, we are miles above the EMA. Fucking 400 pips to be exact. But yeah, this setup, we created quite a lot of liquidity down here with these wicks, and we dipped below, didn't quite tap into this demand zone, but then we got some nice rejections. I got in at breaker candle, a little bit of spread, of course. I'm on a prop farm, and yeah, we just waited it through, as you saw. It was quite nice. This supply gave us a little bit of trouble for a second, but we held through it. I do just wish I held up to these wicks, though. That would have been a nice 1 to 2, and yeah, that would have been good. But let's just see if we can get this account out of drawdown. That would be absolutely lovely. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting my trades giveaways there. Join the Discord, it's just cool in there. We be learning shit every day. And subscribe and like and comment. That's a lot of things, but you're a nice guy, so you'll do it. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.